SAP is a huge space. Snowflake as well is a huge space. But the fact that we're now going to be able to have both of those elements located in a single location and being able to unify all those data sets together, that is going to be fundamentally foundational to how companies are going to move forward with that foundation around AI and data.
It is a transformational event, right? And this alliance between the two very successful software companies in a very specific world. I think it just merges the best of the capabilities out there, right? From a transactional creation of the data and information to where I can maintain and manage it, combine it, and give it access to AI is very important.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Data Cloud Now. We're currently in San Francisco, where I'm now delighted to be joined by Christopher Dinkel, Managing Director, SAP Data and Analytics at Deloitte, along with Gil Gomez, Managing Director, SAP Data and Analytics at Deloitte. Gentlemen, such a pleasure sitting down with you. Really looking forward to diving in on all things SAP and Deloitte.
Likewise, thank you. Thank you for having us. Appreciate it.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Gentlemen, let's get into it, and let's start off by examining the big picture around the recent SAP and Snowflake integrations. From Deloitte's perspective, how are you helping clients to unlock new possibilities? Christopher, why don't we start with you?
So the way that we're approaching it, this is a really big transformational thing. This is not a small item. This isn't your everyday alliance happening that's occurring. SAP is a huge space. Snowflake as well is a huge space. But the fact that we're now going to be able to have both of those elements located in a single location and being able to unify all those data sets together, that is going to be fundamentally foundational to how companies are going to move forward with that foundation around AI and data.
Wonderful to hear. And Gil, from your seat.
Again, I agree with Chris. It is a transformational event, right? And this alliance between the two very successful software companies in a very specific world. And again, I think it just merges the best of the capabilities out there, right? From a transactional creation of the data and information to where I can maintain and manage it, combine it, and give it access to AI is very important, right? So I think that's really how we're seeing this evolution of this, is of the next step on how to really get the most value of such a vast amount of data that's out there, with these transactional systems, and really help unlock the value there, that's what we see. Why do you have information needed? Data information is gold. It helps you run your business, makes your product better, makes your customers happier, things like that. So I think that's a really important part of this with this alliance.
Well, gentlemen, now let's dive into impact and building on what you both just said. From Deloitte's seat, how do you help organizations break down data silos while maintaining governance and security, especially in highly regulated industries, and how is the AI Data Cloud making this a reality? Gil, let's start with you.
So, we look at this at a holistic level, right? From the entire organization, from process, the technology, specific to access to information and security, right? It's obviously a very big topic, very important. So every engagement that we do, we bring our cybersecurity experts along the line. So we have those folks available to us. We have our infrastructure folks, our cloud experts, things like that, to make sure that we're not missing anything, and to be able to do it, again, to obviously want to expose the value, but in the right way.
Right.
We expose the data to get the value, but again, in the right way, and how can we actually do that? So we look at it, again, from a process perspective. Do you have the right governance process? Who has access? Who can sign off on who has access? Because that's just one part of actually what the technology is going to make sure enforce that governance, right? So that's part of it as well. So you have to think about that as architect, how its technology is evolving, what new threats are out there, right? So our cyber team is always constantly staying up to date on things like that, of that nature. So that's how we bring it all together, right? So we have our data experts, infrastructure experts, cyber security experts, bringing it all, helping make a holistic approach.
Very much a top-down approach to your point.
Exactly right. Yeah.
And Chris, from your seat.
So especially when we talk about the industry aspect of it, so things like life sciences and healthcare, I've got a great example around that. As you look at in the healthcare and you look at potentially insurance companies that are operating in that space, they want to be able to look at their portfolio that they offer and how they're managing. They're referred to as souls, but we're all souls. But as they're managing the souls, they need to know, okay, well, how many people have, for example, type 2 diabetes? How many people have COPD or cancer? These types of things. But blending that data together now with the fact that you're going to have both SAP, if they're running their backbone on SAP, and then Snowflake there, you will be able to very seamlessly and easily put those data sets together so that they can make compelling offerings instead of having to wait for a team to go and pull data from here and from over there. That's going to dramatically collapse their time to get to value.
I'm so glad you mentioned industry because Deloitte has unique perspective, very much working across multi-industries from healthcare to financial services to manufacturing. How do you tailor AI and data strategies for specific industry challenges? Chris, let's dive a little bit deeper.
So the important thing is because of how we bring our industry folks to the table, that's a critical factor because they understand the nuances.
Right.
Folks like Gil and I, we understand how SAP works, we understand the basics of financial supply chain, so on and so forth. But being able to bring those folks to the table who can lend their industry expertise to help fine tune what we could potentially do. So it's not just about, hey, we're laying the foundation. It's about how do we get value from the foundation? How can we take those steps forward? And that industry expertise that we bring to the table helps facilitate that.
I love that very much, getting everyone together to drive impact. Well said.
Right. Yeah, 100% agree with Chris. And that's something that, as Deloitte, we're very proud of the fact that we have such heavy industry focus. I tell folks, we're business management consultants, transformation consultants. They use technology. We're not technology consultants for the sake of technology. We want to leverage technology as much as possible, obviously, and especially everything that's coming out. But the industry, because that drives what your key drivers are for value in the specific industry. And again, those industry experts bring that up front, working with our clients because they've been in that situation. A lot of our industry experts came from industry. They've grown up in whatever industry they're experts in. So I think a lot of that, and we translate that in how we help our clients that way. So we bring real world experience in those industries, brought together with a technology that Chris and I help enable, plus our partners, our alliance folks with anything from Snowflake, for example, to SAP, bring that all together, exactly. But again, with an industry focus, because that's specific to that industry. Every client's unique.
Right.
Every single one of our clients is unique in their own special way, and their industry is different. There's across the board, but there are, as Chris said, nuances. We want to make sure we recognize the nuances and leverage them for the value of our clients.
Very much the power of that collective ecosystem.
That's exactly right.
Gentlemen, as you both look out on the back half of the year, what's your primary focus and why? Chris, let's start with you.
So the primary focus, especially with the recent announcement, right, coming out in April and the announcement of being fully generally available, it's creating a lot of opportunities. We're getting a lot of requests from people to understand exactly what this means, what it brings to the table. Snowflake has a very interesting paradigm because they're putting the full use Snowflake inside of the Business Data Cloud or that SAP tenant. So a lot of capabilities that may not be as usable or as well thought out or built out in the SAP stack, you now have somewhere where you can land that data in a very reasonable kind of construct and be able to do some of those higher order types of things like machine learning. We generally talk about AI all the time, but machine learning, those kinds of things, that we're going to be doing a lot of conversations and hopefully closing a lot of business amongst the three of us as we move forward.
Very much in it together. And Gil, any final remarks?
I think that's exactly right. And the idea here is that we want to, Snowflake's done a tremendous job, especially in the SAP ecosystem, and it's incredibly installed base. So with this announcement and these new capabilities, there's a lot of interest in how do we make that work better. We have a big investment in Snowflake, we have a big investment in SAP. So that's what that's what we're working. So my focus is working with those clients and new clients, right? Looking at how I can leverage that. But again, really leveraging, getting the most out of those existing investments as they continue to grow those investments, right? So that's really important for us. And as Chris mentioned, that's where because we are having so many conversations now. Hey, this is real now. We've waited for the announcements for a while. It's real. We're ready to go. But we want to have, it goes, how do you start going? Because if anything is speeding up, right? It's not going to slow down. No. And I had a conversation.
Acceleration of value.
Exactly right. And a client said, well, when is the right time to do it? There's no time if you wait, you're going to miss it. So that's one of the conversations we're having. And it's like, you start figuring out, let's start having that roadmap, starting those conversations. That's really what our primary focus is, like, let's build those conversations in the right way and in the right approach, because that way you actually will be able to get the full value of all your investments, both AI, data, et cetera.
Well, gentlemen, I'm looking forward to seeing what comes next. Such a pleasure sitting down with both of you.
Likewise,
here at Snowflake Summit.
Thank you.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.